Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to recreate this look because I received so many compliments on Instagram and I really wanted to show you guys how I achieved this beautiful and simple look. It's very quick only because I'm not doing my eyebrows. You guys already know how long it takes me to do my eyebrows. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you want to continue seeing how I achieved this look, make sure you tune in until the rest of the video. Okay? See ya! Massaging into my skin. Yeah, I almost lost my contacts. A lot of you guys on Instagram DM'd me and said, oh my god, you look so cute. So I was like, okay. So I'm getting a lot of compliments. Let me show you guys how I achieved this look. It's very simple, very pretty. You don't need to add eyeshadow. You can just skip it neutral, just lashes, and then you do your foundation. So you can adjust it the way you want. It's very pretty, y'all. It's very simple. So sometimes when I don't feel like wearing makeup, I'll probably just throw something like this on. Today I was kind of not feeling good because it's that time of the month. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually very tired right now. I just wanted to record something for you guys so you can have something to watch for this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I was actually going to do the swimwear haul this week, but my cycle was like, you know what, let me interrupt this girl. So I'm shooting for next week. So let's see how next week looks. I'm probably going to do the swimwear look because I know guys, this concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment below, let me know what you thought about the video, and I will see you guys next week. And I'm almost at 300 subscribers.